We're here with Rainer Hiltebrand, COO of Swiss Airlines, one of the launch customers for CSeries. Thank you for taking the time to speak with us today. How does Swiss plan to deploy the CSeries, and do you plan to use it in smaller airports and noise-sensitive environments?
Yeah, sure. We use it actually starting from Zurich and from Geneva in Switzerland, and then we use it also in airports which are difficult to fly, where we cannot reach with A320s. That's, for example, London City. Mm-hmm. And for sure that it's a car-less noise aircraft. That's very important for us.
Yes, we noticed on the in the takeoff that about half the audience didn't see the aircraft until it was halfway through the takeoff roll.
Yeah, you have seen it, but I didn't hear it, so it's a good sign.
Exactly, that's a very good sign.
Yeah.
On the economics of the C-Series, how critical was that as a factor in your decision to purchase the aircraft?
Economics are always critical, and it was a very important factor for sure. But there's a good thing when you have an aircraft which is less noisy. Normally, it also uses less fuel, so that's a good combination. And it uses a lot less fuel than the others, so that's fine for us.
In terms of route deployment, London City, of course, is a difficult airport to fly into and out of. Swiss has flown in there with the Avro RJs, and we know it's an important segment of your route structure. How important is it to have the capabilities of C-Series for short field capability?
Yeah, very important. I think the Avro has to go because it's a very old aircraft now, and we have to replace it by the C-Series, and the C-Series has also more capacity, and the traffic to London City is growing, and C-Series is with 120 seats, it's bigger than the old one, so for us it's very important. And it's an aircraft that can do the steep approach, so it's perfect.
That's great.
Yeah.
Well, thank you very much for your time.
Thank you.